I'm Justine. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, it's Saturday morning. I'm up early getting ready to go do yoga at a bar. And so I'm gonna cook up a delicious breakfast before I go. Today's breakfast is a recipe request from my friend Anna Banana. She's an old coworker. I posted a picture of my breakfast earlier this week, and a few people actually said it looked really good, so I decided I'll make a video about it. And today we're going to be making some rosemary chicken with scrambled eggs. Alright, so we're going to start with the chicken. This is actually like how I meal prep chicken, so we'll just do 4 chicken breasts, so I have them meal prepped already. We're gonna start with some cut up bell peppers. If you have onions, you can cut it up. I cut up some hatch chilies because I had some. And so we're just gonna put that into a casserole dish. Then we're gonna get our chicken breasts. You wanna rinse them and pat them dry and then season them. So you put the chicken, the veggies, the garlic, the rosemary, and then you're gonna pour some chicken broth in the bottom of this pan. And this just helps keep the chicken nice and moist. So while the chicken was cooking, I cut up some vegetables, some bell peppers, some hatch chilies, some more garlic. I cut up some spinach. So now, when the chicken's done, we're gonna start cooking the eggs. Right, so I'm heating up my pan. I put it on about medium-high heat, and I'm gonna let that warm up some. And we're gonna melt some butter into here. Okay, so we're gonna put some butter, maybe like 2 tablespoons, into the pan. All right, so while that sautés, I'm going to show you what I do with scrambled eggs. So while the vegetables are sauteing, we're gonna get these eggs ready. Oh no. So just crack however many eggs you're gonna eat. All right, so you're gonna crack your eggs, and then if you're keto, pour in some heavy whipping cream and start whipping, and your eggs will be nice and fluffy. You made a face. You made a face. What? Heavy cream? Yeah. I put it in my eggs every time. Yeah? Okay, so those are...
I've been eating whipped cream.
All right, that about wraps it up for this bomb-ass breakfast I just made. I hope you try this. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, leave a little unicorn emoji down below if you're watching still. All right, thanks for watching.